Hello and welcome to BIMobject.com. My name is Matthew Jackson and today we're going to have a look at how to search. This is a very quick video, very quick introduction, and more information can be found on our site. But here I am presented with the search bar up the top. I'm presented with a number of buttons which go into what we call our major BIMobject parent categories. These can also be found on the left hand side under filter products. Here we've got BIMobject categories and you can see how these are displayed. Construction, construction materials, doors, electrical, electronics, engineering, etc, etc, and you can look at entire categories, or indeed you can look into subcategories. So if I click on the button doors here, I am presented on the left hand side with subcategories. And for example, if I click on industrial doors here, for example, I'm now presented with 129 industrial door families. Scrolling down a little bit further, because I've gone into a subcategory, I can now see that I have a load of different properties, such as door width, door height, thickness, or material, which I can now search into, and I can click on to better improve my search. To reset, I just click here under the numbers and above the tabs which are provided. Another way to search is just by typing into the search bar. By typing door, I get here a number of different results. I get the categories which contain the word door. I get the brands which contain the word door again, or free search at the bottom. With free search, I can see all of the product pages which contain the word door, either in the title or in the description in which the manufacturer has provided to us. So I get 3,850. But because these are not category specific, I don't get further search options here on the left hand side. So perhaps it's best, of course, to try and use those categories. I can, though, still drill down into this search to make it more specific. I could be in a specific region. So, for example, I might want to look at pages which contain doors in Denmark. I click apply, and now this goes down to 1,315 product families. I could then look at file types. For example, here I could click on the Revit tab, and now I find 1,147 doors for Denmark in the file type of Revit. If I accidentally click on the wrong thing, I can just press on the little X here in the blue square, and this disappears and goes back to just my two search types. There are a number of different buttons and a lot of different ways in which you can search. I can click on brands here or type the brand up here, and again the search bar appears in the top right hand side where I could again search for more information. For example, I could type in Schneider here and I get given two different Schneider electric companies. Again, if I was to type in Schneider here, again it comes up when I start typing it in. It's a live result, much like Google. So this was a really quick introduction. If you want more detailed information, please join BIMobject during our BIMobject Talks, which are our weekly webinars every Tuesday. Free to sign up and only 15 minutes of your time, and we broadcast both at European time zones and US time zones. If you've missed any, please do make sure you check out our YouTube channel, and we have a BIMobject Talks playlist which will be updated every week that we do the talks. The next talk is on March 7th, 2017, 11 o'clock in the morning, Central European Time, or 11 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Anything else, please let us know, and we hope you enjoy using BIMobject.com.